So these next couple slides show various graphs used to show the reading scores at the end of kindergarten and at the end of first grade. And as you can see in the end of kindergarten, yellow is the percent that meets, and the percentage of students that are meeting kindergarten follows a trend where it's declining, it seems, each year. And then in red and blue are the percent warning and percent below. And as the percent meets of kindergarten students are declining, the red and blue percent warning and percent below are increasing, which is obviously something that is of concern and where the problem of practice was identified. The green percent exceed stays for the most part pretty consistent. However, you do see a slight trend downwards as well. Then, when you're looking at the end of first grade reading scores, it seems that they are able to catch up the students who are in the red and blue over in kindergarten. If you look at their corresponding year in first grade, they tend to see an increase. However, though, some of those later years in first grade, the percent meets is also kind of inconsistent and declining a little bit, and they have a increase in percent below in red. So in this action plan, I did put a focus on kindergarten, but I also included first grade as part of this action plan too, because it couldn't hurt to get more training in the balanced literacy model, even though that first grade does have more experience with it and tends to give better results than what you see in the kindergarten graph. The second graph here is a stacked bar graph where it just shows a quick average of percent meets in first grade and percent below in first grade compared to the kindergarten averages of percent meets and percent below. So when you look at this graph, obviously you would want to see more green for percent meets. And comparing first grade to kindergarten, you see that first grade has a higher percentage in green of students that are meeting the end of year assessment standard and benchmark compared to kindergarten that has less green and definitely more percent below in red.